Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a website on the Weebly. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Weebly site. Once you're in, you have to go on the example, and here is the ad side. You have to click on it. Now here you have to select that which website you want to create. Like here you have two option, I just need a website or an online store. Now you have to click on anyone. Once you are in, here is the select a theme. Here you can select a theme. You have business, portfolio, personal, event, and many more. Once you select the theme, you have to click on it, and here you can also find out more. If you want to work on this template, you have to click on the start editing, and here your site has been built. So yeah, this is how you can make a website on the Weebly.